Looking for the best gaming mini PC in 2026? Mini PCs have come a long way. The latest models pack powerful AMD Ryzen 9 and Intel Core Ultra processors, next-generation graphics, lightning-fast DDR5 memory, PCIe Gen 4 and Gen 5 SSDs, Wi-Fi 7, and even dedicated RTX graphics, all inside incredibly small chassis. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026, covering their features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and who each one is best suited for. Be sure to stay until the end because we'll reveal our picks for the best overall, best value, best premium, and more. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. MINISFORUM Venus UM790 Pro. The Ryzen 9 7940HS continues to be one of AMD's strongest mobile processors, and paired with Radeon 780M graphics, it handles esports titles like Valorant, CS2, Rocket League, and Fortnite with ease. It can also play many modern AAA games at lower settings. Outside gaming, the UM790 Pro shines in multitasking, video editing, coding, and office work. USB 4 connectivity allows fast storage expansion and external GPU support, giving users room to grow. Cooling performance is solid, and the system remains relatively quiet during everyday use. Pros: powerful Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, excellent Radeon 780M integrated graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM included, fast USB 4 connectivity, compact and quiet design, great all-around performance. If you're looking for a compact PC that balances gaming, productivity, and affordability, the UM790 Pro remains one of the safest and smartest choices. Number 2. GEEKOM IT13 Max AI Mini PC. The Core Ultra 9 delivers excellent performance in productivity software, coding environments, Adobe applications, and AI-assisted workflows. Ultra Arc graphics also perform surprisingly well in many modern games and creative applications. Support for multiple 8K displays makes this machine especially attractive for professionals, while expandable RAM and storage allow future upgrades. Although gamers may prefer dedicated graphics, this system excels as a premium work and play mini PC. Pros: powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, Intel Arc graphics, Wi-Fi 7 support, dual 2.5 gig Ethernet, quad 8K display support, excellent upgradability. The GEEKOM IT13 Max is an outstanding choice for creators, programmers, and professionals who also enjoy casual gaming. Number 3. GMKtec Evo T2S. This mini PC is built for demanding users. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, running virtual machines, or experimenting with AI applications, the Evo T2S delivers exceptional responsiveness. The inclusion of PCIe Gen 5 storage significantly improves loading times, while Oculink support allows users to connect high-performance external GPUs for desktop-class gaming. Networking options are among the best in its class. Pros: extremely powerful AI Ultra processor, 64GB LPDDR5X memory, PCIe Gen 5 SSD, Oculink eGPU support, dual 10GB networking, excellent future-proof features. For enthusiasts who want cutting-edge technology and excellent expandability, the Evo T2S is one of the most advanced mini PCs available. Number 4. MINISFORUM G1 Pro Gaming Mini PC. Unlike integrated graphics systems, the RTX 5060 allows this mini PC to comfortably run modern AAA games at high or ultra settings with ray tracing and DLSS support. The Ryzen 9 processor also excels in streaming, video editing, and demanding multitasking. Despite its powerful hardware, MINISFORUM has done an impressive job managing cooling and maintaining relatively quiet operation. Pros: powerful RTX 5060 graphics, Ryzen 9 8945HX processor, excellent IAAA gaming, great for streaming and content creation, Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, multiple display outputs. For gamers who want desktop-class gaming without a bulky tower, the G1 Pro is one of the strongest options on the market. Number 5.
GMKtec AI Mini PC Evo X2. The Evo X2 focuses on delivering excellent CPU performance for demanding workloads rather than relying solely on gaming performance. It handles large creative projects, AI software, virtualization, and multitasking effortlessly while maintaining fast responsiveness. Its generous 64GB memory and 2TB SSD provide plenty of room for future projects without immediate upgrades. Pros: powerful Ryzen AI Max Plus processor, massive 64GB memory, large 2TB SSD, Wi-Fi 7, USB 4 support, excellent productivity performance. If your workflow includes AI applications, content creation, software development, or heavy multitasking, the Evo X2 delivers exceptional value. After comparing all 5 gaming mini PCs, here are our winners. Best overall, MINISFORUM G1 Pro combines a powerful Ryzen 9 processor with dedicated RTX 5060 graphics, delivering true desktop-class gaming performance in a compact chassis. Best value for money, MINISFORUM Venus UM790 Pro offers an outstanding balance of gaming, productivity, and everyday performance at a more accessible price. Best for hardcore gaming, MINISFORUM G1 Pro, the only system on this list featuring dedicated RTX graphics, making it the top pick for modern AAA gaming. Best for productivity and AI workloads, GMKtec AI Mini PC Evo X2. Its Ryzen AI processor, 64GB memory, and 2TB SSD make it ideal for creators, developers, and AI-focused workflows. Most future-proof mini PC, GMKtec Evo T2S, with PCIe 5.0 storage, Oculink support, Wi-Fi 7, and 10GB networking, it's built to stay ahead of the curve. No matter what your budget or use case, each of these mini PCs delivers impressive performance in an incredibly compact form factor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.